Welcome. In front of me I have REALME X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how we can change notification bar icons. So let's open notification bar and then open it like that on the whole screen, and then tap on this icon. And if you want to adjust these icons, you have to click and hold one of the icon and then put it on the place that you want. For example, I'm going to make it with the NFC icon. So click, hold, and then drag it. If you want to put it on the second side, you have to make it like that. I'm going to put it in the upper section of the screen. Now just put it like that. If you want to take off one of these icons right here, click, hold, and drag it here. And if you want to get any of these icons, for example focus mode, it's very useful. You have to click, hold, drag, and then put it like that. After all these settings, all of this things, if you want to just save it, you have to go back and tap right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.